beautiful log cabin between Sisters in Tumalo, Oregon. Really beautiful. It's mainly a single story. There is a bonus room above the garage. And then you have this shop over here, which is being used as storage, and then a woodworking space. You do have this driveway that loops all the way around and then goes out to the main street. You do get some road noise from here. In the house, you can't hear it. The log cabin is insulated really well, but when you're standing out here, you can hear it. And then you have some outbuildings, which are really nice. Something I like about this is you do have a little bit of acreage here, but it's very natural landscape. And so you're not gonna spend every summer day pulling weeds, which is really nice, or trimming the grass. You do have a little bit of grass in the back, but other than that, it's natural, which I think is a bonus. Okay, let's walk inside and then we'll do a tour of the home. Really beautiful custom built home. Roof looks great. The maintenance, it looks like it's been really kept well. I love these green framed windows. Really just gives it this, cozy cabin look, which who doesn't like that? So like I said, you have a lot of space out here, but you also don't have to do anything with it. You have a nice 2-car garage. And then this is the bonus room. I'll go in there, I'll break that all down for you. Just want to do a really quick walk through outside, which we'll go back to the shop here in just a bit. But let's head inside. Wow. Really beautiful covered space. So this isn't trucks, this is just a wood porch, but they've done a really good job maintaining it, keeping it painted or stained or covered. And so there's not much deterioration of the material, which is really good. But look at that. Okay, let's do a house tour. Okay, bedroom 1. This is a nice size. This is a queen size bed, but could fit a king if you wanted to. It has its own private porch access. A lot of natural light in this house as well. Very thoughtful layout. So this would be guest bathroom. You have a nice tiled walk-in shower. So this room is larger than the first room, but once again has a queen size bed. Easily could fit a queen. A king might be a little tight, but it's a nice spacious room. I like how it's bordered. Really small little, makes a very nice difference. You have this little ledge here. Larger, these door frames also seem a little larger. Here we have a study with the wainscoting as well. really nice office. Okay, let's go. So something I really like about this layout is the master is very separate from the rest of the house. It's on its own wing. This is a really nice laundry space. You have a little half bath right here. It's a nice mud room. It's a nice just drop space too, especially with your little sink there. You have additional access to outside. Here's your 2-car garage, which is a nice 2-car garage. It's wide. Okay, so I like how the layout is. This side of the house is really just the master and then that room above the garage. These beams and windows, it's hard to capture it in the video, but it's beautiful. And then once again, you have access to that beautiful view. Private seating area. You have his and her sinks. Really nice layout. You know, it's private, beautiful natural light. Okay, let's go upstairs. This is a very large space. It tucks all the way around. This could be storage. It could be another den, office. This could be the anything room. Okay, let's do a quick walk around. The landscaping is pretty minimal. Like I was saying before, it's pretty natural landscape. You know, it would probably a nice little spruce up, you know, like a spring clean or just planting some new fresh flowers. You know, that would be great, but you also don't need to because it's pretty natural. These nice beautiful trees here. It's really hard to capture how beautiful the framework of this house is. Just gorgeous. Okay, so we have these outbuildings, really just additional storage, but let's take a look at those. And then we just have another shed, plenty of storage or expansion if you wanted a bigger garden, maybe the opportunity to build another shop. Plenty of room. So this does wrap all the way around if you needed to get an RV in here or trailers or tractors. It's very thoughtful, the turnarounds that they have. Let's go take a look at the shop. Very nice size. Look how you have 2 nice big doors there. You have solar on the top. Let's take a look in here. Currently being used as a woodworking space. Could definitely be converted to something else. But you have a lot of good power in here. And just room, additional storage. And then here is your double bay shop. Really loads of outbuildings, space to really expand or kind of use how you may need. Really unique property.